Hi guys! Today we're going to do some maths. So we're going to do some sequences and series from topic 1. Starting off with arithmetic sequences, these are written in the formula booklet as UN is U1 plus N minus 1 times D. So this is UN is the nth term of the series. U1 is the first term of the series. N is the number in the place in which the number is in the sequence. And D is the jump between each number. So we have, for example, series 1, 3, 5, 7. If we take 5, for example, that is U3, where N would then equal 3, and D for this sequence or series is 2 because each number is separated by 2. The sum of an arithmetic sequence is Sn is n over 2 of 2u1 plus n minus 1 times d. So the letters mean the same thing as in the previous one. Same with n over 2 times u plus un. And yeah, they'll usually just give you a series and ask you maybe to work it out, or they'll give you one sequence or one number in the sequence and ask you to work out maybe the difference or the number or whatever, but they'll give you all the information in the question. Here is an example, another one, how to use the nth term or finding the sum of a certain number of these terms. And yeah, if you want to attempt the question, feel free. Moving on to geometric sequences. These are when you multiply a number by a certain ratio each time. Again, each character here, UN, U1, they mean the same thing. R here is the ratio between each number, so the one you multiply by. For example, if you have, 2, 6, 18, and so on. Ratio here would be 3 because each time I'm multiplying by 3. And again, here is the sum of a geometric sequence. This only works when r is not equal to 1. Obviously, you can imagine if r is 1, you're dividing by 0, which is a bit problematic. Here is another example. If you want to attempt it, feel free. But yeah, you're just substituting in the numbers into these equations. Now, sum of an infinite geometric sequence. If this only works if the ratio is between -1 and 1, and if you imagine a series like this, you have u1 times by a ratio times by n to the power of n minus 1. And if this is under 1, each subsequent u value, each term gets smaller and smaller and smaller, and therefore tends to 0. So you can calculate the sum of an infinite geometric sequence like this. And yeah, those are the basics of sequences and series. It's a pretty easy topic, although there can be some hard questions, so I encourage you to look some up and practice them. But I hope you you enjoyed the video and found it a bit useful. Have a good day.